Welcome back to Benidorm town. Today we are on the British Street, aka the Gerona Street. There are so many changes happening here and some important changes too. Let's explore these together. Today's video is starting right by the Rockstar Benidorm. As you can see, the sun shining. They have a very nice terrace which has sunshine almost a whole day long with an exception of early morning. And with nice offers for coffee plus liquor, €2, small breakfast $4.50. This place right here has quite a lot of people enjoying some sunshine, mostly on the sunnier side. By the way, here we have some menu that they usually tend to have. Menu for kids, sandwiches, hot dogs, salads, and many more. Sandwiches, burgers, starters, English breakfast. Very popular place overall, and especially in summer. Some places are closed, such as dancer places, and jumping jacks obviously is open. The curious part is that the shade area is almost empty, but the sunny area is packed up with people. There's basically 1 or 2 tables free left, but all the rest are occupied with people. Quite a lot of people enjoying some nice and sunny day. We love jumping jacks. They have very nice entertainment. Some refurbishments going on at the local supermarkets. They're putting up brand new colors out here just to adapt it for a new summer season, since summer is tricky here and the sun basically eats all the entire color from everything that you put outside. So they desperately need some changes. $1 million, very nicely decorated for Christmas. Let me show it to you guys. They have karaoke, they have food, they have drinks, snacks. Very nice Christmas decorations out there on the inside and on the outdoors. A lovely place. Let's get closer and closer to the main thing that we want to show you guys today, which is not this, but still Flamingo Bar, the Funky Flamingo. We have here some bucket deals for you. These are the prices right now. As we told you in the previous videos, 12-13 euros are the normal prices for different types of bucket deals, which is not cheap anymore, honestly. The Rovers return. We've had some nice breakfast in this place. This is the time when they repaint, redo everything that they have to, which is great. It's going to be nice and clean and tidy and freshly painted for the next summer season. Winter is the season when a lot of the places are doing changes to make it on point for the next summer. By the way, coffee with brandy or Baileys, $2.50. Andy, simply the best. I love this place. The terrace is always extremely busy. This is one of the busiest places here on the British Street, even in winter months. And right here comes the place that we wanted to show you the most. This is the White Star. This is the Marina Resort. And the White Star Terrace is absolutely gone. It doesn't exist anymore. They've taken it all down. And this is what's going on. Giant building work. A lot of refurbishment. It's gone. Everything is gone. The statues, everything is absolutely gone. This is the reality. They're preparing for the next summer season. It's closed. A lot of changes are happening. I wonder how this place will be looking like once it's all done and finished. But it is so sad to see all these giant platforms just go to waste and be thrown away. It was a part of the history of the British Street in Benidorm, but it's time for a new history, right? I guess. Let us know how many of you have spent here numerous evenings in the Marina Resort at the White Star. It is such a shame it's being changed. But I guess it is all right. I guess we need changes like these to make all this place looking better and better. Nearby, some of the other places are still closed. They will be opening up, but once it's winter time, and once it's not a weekend, many places are closed. Typical supermarkets are open still. Kebab houses are closed. Look at all this. Wow, that is, oh my word, that is a change. Woo. That's gonna be a massive change, you guys. They're changing the pool area too. Let me see if I can go up there. I'm gonna try and zoom it in. There we go. They're changing the whole entire pool. Oh my God. Haha, we were able to see a tiniest bit. But this is bizarre. One of the most, let's go back. One of the most iconic places here, the one that has a lot of fame for international partying, for party groups, for foam parties, and the White Star obviously too. Woo. Massive changes coming up for this summer. We're wondering how it's gonna be looking like. Obviously nearby, probably this one's affected too. The Secret Fountain, we love this place, and it's closed as well due to all the building work that's happening. Probably that is why. Let's see if it says something out here. No, it just says that you have to pass through the other area. Pedestrian crossing is closed. But I guess since the marina is closed, the Secret Fountain is closed too. What a shame. Railway closed once again, not surprised. And look at this right here. This was a very famous once place, which now is being completely refurbished and teared apart. We are on the British Square right now, and as you can see, it's all cleaned up. It's still, you can see there's still water out here. It's not because it was raining, because it wasn't. And the Zodiac is being changed completely. It's being ripped and teared apart in million pieces. It's not existing anymore. There's works being done out there, but it's absolutely empty. You can see it right there. I'm going to try and zoom it in. You can see it right there. There's literally nothing left of it. So this place will probably be renewed soon. Railway, all good. This place continues to be absolutely well how it is. I wonder why no one changes it, because it does look ugly right here in the heart of all the entertainment. They could put something here, at least clean it up, but so far it didn't happen. Maybe for next summer season, who knows. Broadway is closed. Obviously a lot of these places, they open up right now for the for weekends mostly, and that is due to the fact because like this, see right now there's no point in opening it up, so it's mostly weekends only. Same for Queen's Arms, closed right now. It is what is it, Wednesday today? It is Wednesday, so there's not as many people here, so it doesn't really make that much of a sense to stay open. There's other places who are functioning way more, and these are located right at the beginning of the British Street. And I see the second National Police car already, just in 1-2 minutes time. I wonder why. The good news is that they're always here, but it's just tricky when you see them coming once and twice and 3 times. Let's go this way. Through the same street when it's not nighttime, when there's nothing wrong happening, there's barely any people at all. Maybe it's because it's a market day and this area right here in front looks quite vivid usually. Maybe that's the reason why, who knows. The Rockies pub closed for holidays. See, that's what I told you. This is what happens with a lot of places here in Benidorm. They can call people if they need to bring something, but on average it is closed for holidays for the next summer season. See, closed for holidays. Waiting for the next summer season to come. Some sports bar, music bar, special cocktails bar. These ones are also closed right now. With the one that's open, obviously, will be 24-hour shops, Chinese bazaars, and a few bars located at the beginning of the British Street, plus the Brit station that probably will be open the whole entire winter. It's a nice place. It's located close to the beach and strategically right here on the Avenue of Philippines. So there's always going to be people out here. Not many more things have changed at the beginning of the street. Everything looks quite working and open. Only this side, the one that's more for a nightlife and clubs, is changing quite a lot before the new summer season. We are looking forward to see how it looks like next year, 2026, after spring break. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Wish you a lovely day, and we'll see you here on the channel very soon with a brand new video tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a usual video from Benidorm town, and we also have another video prepared for you guys for the evening. Stay tuned. Bye.